Revelator John.
Hello, welcome to Revelator John. What is humidity and what is relative humidity? Humidity relates to the actual amount of water vapor, moisture held within an air mass, within the air. This can be affected. The actual amount of humidity can be affected by many variables, such as temperature, pressure, volume, density, so on and so forth. All the factors that affect properties of a gas. However, we also have to consider air mass source regions and also air mass track. And what do I mean by that? An air mass will adopt the properties over the geography over which it is moving. So for example, if an air mass is coming from over the sea, then it will be a moist air mass. Depending if it's coming from a polar region or from an equatorial region, will determine whether it's a warm air mass or a cold air mass. If the air mass is moving over land, it would depend whether it's coming from a polar region or from an equatorial region. If it's an expansive area of desert, of dry area, it will be a very dry air mass. If it's large areas of forestry, for example, it will be a relatively moist air mass. So the air mass always adopts the properties of the geography over which it is moving. So that is the actual amount of moisture in the air expressed as humidity. Relative humidity is expressed as a percentage. So it is the percentage of moisture that can be held by a particular air mass or the air at any given time. And this relates to dew point, the temperature to which the air must be cooled in order for the air to become 100% saturated, and thereafter condensation will occur in the form of visible moisture such as fog, cloud, so on and so forth. If the temperature rises, then the air can hold more water vapor. As the temperature falls, the air can hold less water. So as we reach a lower temperature, the relative humidity will increase up to 100%. And at that point, we will have visible moisture from condensation. So humidity is the actual amount of moisture that is held within an atmosphere, within an air mass, I should say, within the air. Relative humidity is the potential amount of water vapor that can be held in an atmosphere dependent on the temperature. And we will reach 100% saturation, 100% relative humidity when we have convergence of the temperature and dew point and they meet. Thank you.